In today's video, I'm doing a large Dutch pour on an 18 by 24 inch canvas. I'm using my Revlon hairdryer, and I have white for my base paint, 3 shades of purple, and a gold mixed up. All 3 of the purple shades are metallic along with the gold, so when it's all dry it's going to have a real nice pop of color. I have mixed each of my colors with Floetrol and water to thin them down. I used a sponge brush to just smooth out my paint, and then I'm just using each of my purples and laying them down in the pattern that I'd like to blow out the colors. I used my hairdryer on the low setting, and this one also has a hot and cold option, and I kept it on cold. I was worried that if I turned it on the hot setting that it would dry the paint too quickly. A lot of my darker purple got lost in the other colors, so I added it in a few areas and used my hairdryer to blow it out again, and to also give more definition to the shape that I wanted. I wasn't too happy with it just from that first blowout, but a few more attempts and I really like the final design. I was able to get some nice cells, and I feel that it really has a nice floral look to it with that purple, and I think it's going to look really great when it's all dry.
you.